Fall is coming. I finally get to put up all my fall decor, you guys. I have everything right here on the table for you to look at. We're getting really, really,
They don't see it.
You see him? Show him. See, Art's giving you guys the whole view of the pumpkin and stuff like that. Get into the pumpkin. Get into what you're gonna, oh. All right, you guys, so what we have on the agenda today, you guys, for this video and for this vlog, you guys, I finally get to decorate my front porch for fall. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. So we're gonna get ready to decorate the porch for 2020. Everything that you guys see right here on this table has been brought from Walmart and decorated, like Ari said. So it's decorations, and we got all of this from Walmart. No, this video is not sponsored, by the way. I just want, put you guys up on game and let you guys know exactly where we got everything. We got these beautiful pumpkins, and these are the colors that I'm going with this fall.
Got this one.
Yep. Ari helped pick out this one.
And I
show your pumpkin. She even got that one, and I thought this one was very unique, you guys, because look, it has like a pumpkin head with flower detail on it, which is so pretty. You see, Ari got all three of her pumpkins she's about to drop. And I made sure to get one of these lanterns, and the reason why I got this one, you guys, is because I actually have a wreath that I've had. How long have we had that wreath for, babe? The one that we used about 2 years. Yeah, we had like the same wreath for about 2 years, and these are the colors that we're going with right here. Unfortunately, when I went to Walmart, they only had one of these, so I only ended up getting one, but we're gonna make it do what it do and make it work. So that's what we have. And I also have some other goodies in store for you guys. I'm really excited, but let's go ahead and get started to this video. If you guys want to see the other goodies that I have, you're gonna have to stay tuned, sit back, relax, help decorate our front porch with us. Be sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. You see what my daughter is telling you guys. Give this video a thumbs up for us, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this fall decor vlog. Bye, y'all. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you guys, my porch is a mess. It is dirty. I have a ton of frogs that, just love to live on my porch. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep it on off because, of course, I got new stuff and I don't want it to be all dirty. You guys, so this is what our front porch is looking like. We're ready for fall, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so this was the surprise that I was telling you guys about, and it is this plaid black and white what do you call it, like an outside rug. So good. And I made sure to get a C for what, if you guys know our last name, I got the C for Cooper's, so that's why I got our own personalized monogram mat, and it looks so good, you guys. Why didn't nobody tell me how much hay sheds? This is my first time actually using hay for my front porch decor, you guys, as I told you guys, because I really don't do this a lot, and this is my first year that I finally be able to decorate, which makes me so excited, you guys. Look how nice it looks. I'm so proud of myself. The lantern, I like the pumpkins. This pumpkin right here is by far my favorite. You know what I think I'm gonna do to these little ones, because I actually got these from Walmart, like I told you guys, and this was like 99 cents. You see how light it is? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and stick some toothpicks into the bottom, I'm sorry, you guys, of these, and I'm gonna place it wherever I want on here, because you see, it doesn't stand up. And this, actually, I did not get this one from Walmart. This one actually came from Big Lots and I got it on sale with 70% off, you guys. And I basically shopped my home and I found these beautiful flowers that I once had inside and I put in my garage, and I used them to go right here on the welcome sign. It looks so good. It looks good, baby. It looks good. It looks good. Not to mention, you guys, this is the wreath that I also got from Walmart, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I believe I got this from Walmart, you guys, and we've had this for about 2 years, going on 3 years now, and it's still standing strong. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and I'm sorry, you guys are probably wondering where I got this black plaid rug from. I forgot to tell you guys, the black plaid rug I actually got from, what is it called, babe? Hobby Lobby? I got that one from Hobby Lobby. If you guys hear the noise outside, it's because my kids are riding the bikes. So yeah, I got that from Hobby Lobby, so that's where I got that from. So yeah, looks real good. Bad thing, you guys, about the hay is, look, it gets everywhere, and I wish there was a way, you know, I might bring my vacuum out here, but then again, I don't want to mess up my vacuum. And look at this, y'all, it's love bug season and they're everywhere and they're in love with my hay. But yeah, this is the only part. I wish I can clean this up a bit more, but like my husband said, that's just the cons of hay, but it looks more realistic this way, so I'll just keep it like that, you guys. I mean, it's nothing big, so it's just something that's a little OCD that's annoying me. Is the part that, you know, I want to take all this off, but no matter what, it's gonna shed, so there's nothing I can do about that. Alright, you guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog. I hope that you guys all enjoy. Please be sure to show me some love, since this is my very first fall front porch decor video, you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and go ahead and join the fam, you guys, because I have plenty more content coming up, you guys. I'm brand new to the game, but I promise you guys, I have some stuff coming up and you don't want to miss it. Make sure that you turn those post notifications, and I will see you guys all next time, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Bye.